Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the problem count the number of consistent strings. This is an easy problem, so it's a good opportunity to showcase some features of Python. So the first thing that we can notice is that we want our words to only be made out of letters in the string allowed, and it's given as a string. For us to be able to easily check if a character is in that allowed string, we should probably convert it to something else, and typically the choice is to convert it to a set. And it's very easy to convert a string to a set, because we can just call set with our string as an argument. Because in Python, while of course a string is a string, you can print it, but you can also iterate over it, and then you get character by character everything within that string. So this is just a simple way of converting that string to a set. And now we can, of course, check for every character we want if it exists within our set. However, it's also possible to do it with another feature that Python allows us when it comes to working with sets, because what we really want to check is, given this set of allowed letters, we have to go through every word in words, so we can just write for word in words in this comprehension, in this generator expression in this case, because we do not want to create a list, just generate all the elements. And now we want to check if the set of letters in this given word is a subset of this allowed set. And as you may or may not know, in Python, sets support many standard operations with notation similar to arithmetic operations. And in this case, for the left operand being a subset of the right operand, the less than or equal is used. So we can simply write if the set of letters in word is less than or equal than this set of allowed letters, then we're happy. We want to count the number of times that we're happy, so we can just sum over everything that this will generate. So this is a nice showcase of how in Python you can express some of those pretty natural ideas in very readable, simple, and intuitive ways. Probably even if you were not familiar with some of those features, you might come up with the idea to try them, and in this case they will work.